Now, for this recipe, we are using a 6.5 pounds bone-in turkey breast. Using your fingers, separate the skin from the flesh just like so. Be gentle, you do not want to break the skin. Begin by peeling 1 full head of garlic. Then, in a small food processor, add the garlic cloves, followed by a couple of branches of fresh sage, a couple of branches of fresh rosemary without the stems, a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme without the stems, the zest of 1 full lemon, and once you're done zesting the lemon, squeeze that juice of that same lemon and add the juice of the lemon to the marinade. Add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of ground mustard, 3 teaspoons of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Then pulse to combine. Transfer the garlic and herb mixture into a mixing bowl. Combine with half a cup of room temperature butter. Get the garlic butter mixture thoroughly combined. Then stuff the garlic butter mixture into the skin all around the turkey and inside of the turkey. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 165 degrees Celsius. Transfer the turkey breast to a roasting pan. Add 1 cup of either white wine or chicken stock to the bottom of the pan to keep things moist. Sprinkle with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper above to taste. Insert an instant thermometer into the thickest part of the turkey breast for a delicious, yummy turkey breast. Now, roast the turkey at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 hours or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, and one more thing. Get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. And if everything goes according to plan, your garlic and herb roasted turkey breast will look like this. Cover with aluminum foil and let it rest for a few minutes. And once the turkey breast has rested, cut it up and enjoy! And there you have it, garlic and herb roasted turkey breast. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye!
Yeah.